Hello guys, this is Model Aircraft. So there's one update I'm going to be doing on the Passat. I'm getting a set of carbon fiber mirror caps. Like right here, this part here that goes over this side view mirror, that's the one that I'm going to replace to carbon fiber. So when I'm driving and I look at my side view mirror, I can see the carbon fiber. But yeah, it looks really good. I got it for $100, as you guys can see. It's $100, which is, I mean, it's carbon fiber. It's real carbon fiber, you know. So I'm gonna actually go to Google and show you what it looked like. The AC is on. It's freezing in here. The ones that I actually got, you can also get them from Euro Tuning too. The Euro Tuning is $199, but it's the same thing because most of these things are manufactured in China. So slowing in it. What is going on? Okay. So this is the one that I got. It's carbon fiber mirror caps. So Euro Tuning is $140. Because it's not an actual OEM part, you may need to play around with it to fit it. And also, let's look at some of the reviews. Probably that's what it is. I mean, some people make it fit. Some people don't know how to make it fit. You know, but if I go, I'm gonna back out of this. So I'm trying to find the exact website I got it from. Okay. I don't know if they have increased the price or not, but maybe it looks like it. Slowing in it. Bear with me, guys. So this is a website I got this from. It's called AHA Carbon. But most of these are manufactured in China. So Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, US muscle cars. So it's just not bad. Now this one you can't really pose it, but you can see it's gonna look something like that. And it's real carbon. There's nothing fake about this. I don't mess with fake stuff. It's right here. This one looks really nice. Can't really see the shine. The video doesn't do it justice. You got these two, really nice. And right here is says that resin UV protective specular paint, 3K carbon fiber, special automotive gum. Yeah. Oh, this is, and these are not original OEM parts, so fitting might be a little, you need to play around with it to fit it. See, features, material, quality 3x3 weave carbon fiber. Functions, light and durable. Okay, I don't need to read all this, but you guys get the point. All right, guys, and also any new update, I'll keep you guys informed. I definitely will be getting green, blue, black design leather shift boot for this one. It's Model Aircraft signing out.